Welcome to WorldToTravel. Today we're taking you on a journey through Singapore's architectural marvel and traveler's paradise, Jewel Changi Airport. Whether you're a tourist or a local, this place offers a unique mix of nature, retail therapy, and jaw-dropping experiences. Ready to explore? Let's go. Architectural marvel Jewel is designed by world-renowned architect Moshe Safdie, who also designed Singapore's iconic Marina Bay Sands. Its glass and steel dome structure is a feat of engineering, with natural light streaming in through the roof, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. The building's futuristic design perfectly complements its focus on blending nature with innovation. Shiseido Forest Valley, a green sanctuary. This multi-level indoor garden spans several stories and features walking trails, misty backdrops, and a wide variety of plants from around the globe. It's a calming retreat for visitors to relax amidst nature, right inside a bustling airport. The Forest Valley also serves as the perfect spot for some tranquil photography. Canopy Park, a rooftop wonderland. The top floor of Jewel is home to the Canopy Park, offering a host of attractions for all ages. Sky nets. Suspended high above the ground, these nets let you walk or bounce while enjoying panoramic views of the complex. Hedge maze and mirror maze. Fun and challenging, these mazes offer immersive experiences for adventurers. Discovery slides. A combination of art and play, this sculptural playground is both visually striking and entertaining. Foggy bowls, perfect for kids to play in mist-filled pits for a magical experience. Retail and dining galore. With over 280 shops and eateries, Jewel is a shopping and food lover's paradise. The mesmerizing night view of Jewel Changi Airport. Jewel Changi Airport transforms into a magical wonderland when the sun sets, offering a completely different experience from its daytime charm. The night view at Jewel is nothing short of breathtaking, making it a must-visit for locals and tourists alike. From the outside, Jewel's iconic glass and steel dome looks like a glowing jewel in the night sky. The intricate design of the structure, combined with the warm internal lighting, creates a stunning visual that can be admired from afar. It's especially beautiful when viewed from Changi Airport's nearby terminals or during a drive around the airport area. nighttime light and sound show at Jewel Changi Airport. One of the most captivating experiences at Jewel Changi Airport is the nighttime HSBC Rain Vortex light and sound show. As night falls, the 40-meter indoor waterfall, already an architectural marvel, transforms into a dazzling centerpiece, mesmerizing visitors with a symphony of light, sound, and water. And that's a wrap on our Jewel Changi Airport adventure. From nature and adventure to shopping and relaxation, this place truly has it all. Which attraction are you most excited to explore? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on more adventures around the world. Until next time, happy travels.